Five, four, three, two, one.
Good afternoon guys. This is Dancing Pillow Mama. Ang video ko ngayon ay pupunta ko kay Mitos at doon ko i-celebrate ang advanced birthday ko talaga kasi bukas 12 o'clock ay mag-aano kami. Pagkatapos namin hahantayin namin kami ang magbukas ng casino kasi ako ay mananalo ng jackpot. So ngayon dumating na si Brenda Bell, ang aming driver na maganda na. At saka namimigay ito ng ano, eto siya, namimigay ng kotse siya, ang girlfriend ni SB. Hindi siya ang ano girlfriend na ni SB, sino ba yun? Sam Versusa. Siya ang girlfriend ni SB. Sam Versusa. And alam mo ba guys, kung anong binigay niya sa akin, talagang gusto niya akong papatabain. Tinanggal na nga niya ang taba, tinanggal na nga ng doktor ko ang taba. Gusto na naman niya akong patatabain. Tingnan mo guys, oh, tingnan mo. Ay nako, ganun niya ako kamahal.
Oo, ganun talaga.
Talaga, ano ba to? Puro papataba. Pakita ko sa iyo guys kung sino si Brenda Bell.
Nagpunta na ako.
Siya naman ang ito guys. Buisit ako dito guys kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Tingnan mo yung ilong niya, walang-wala ako. Putragis niya guys. Galit na galit ako dito guys kasi ilong niya guys. Ang ilong ko pangong-pango mukhang unggoy. Yeah. Pero okay lang.
Tinira na naman yung sarili niya.
Pero okay lang guys. Basta.
Tago mo na to. Ipaparapol mo to dyan. Mamaya ipaparapol mo yan.
Ibibigay ko sa mga subscriber ko.
Oo.
So guys, mag-ano kayo, magdasal kayo na mananalo kami ng jackpot kasi kung mananalo kami ng jackpot,
Siya ng
mamimigay ako ng ano ibibigay natin sa kanila.
kotse.
Huwag naman yun.
Mamili sila doon sa parking.
Guys, pag mananalo kami guys ng jackpot, lahat ng mga subscribers ko ay may tag 100. Huwag naman kasi
100 pesos! Wala na hindi pa katapos.
hindi ka tapos.
G-Cos-Cos.
Basta, pag mananalo kami ng jackpot, si Brenda magbibigay din ng ano. So, bahala na, surprise na lang dyan guys. So, lahat kayo guys, may pakinabang sa aming panalo. Kaya pagdasal nyo kami guys. Pagdasal nyo kami nga mananalo. So, flex lang guys. Antayin namin ng 12 o'clock ng gabi. Anong oras na ba?
Alas 9. Alas 9
9, 10, 11, 12. Naku guys, lasing na ako sa totoo lang. Lasing na ako, matutulog ako uli. So, I am crazy. Chill guys. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Our singer from England, Bruno Mars.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Mga singer namin dito.
King of the road, first star midnight train, destination for me. Oh, worn out suit and shoes, I don't pay no union dues. Someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. Oh, baby.
Where's the rose?
Laboratory.
Saan? Say hello to my... Say hello to my YouTube channel.
Yes, I was so proud. Thanks for the love with my fire in his heart. A man undercover, but you call me a fire. Ooh, I found a real love, you're full of me again. Last Christmas, you gave me my wife's collar. This day, you gave it away. This year, you sent me from tears. I gave it to someone special.
Wow! Woo! Special!
The very next day, you gave it away. This year, sent me from tears. I gave it to someone
Wow! Sweet!
Evidence.
Evidence! Sweet, Nina! Again, again! Sweet! Sweet!
Oh no! Were you recording? I wasn't even recording.
Can you record that?
Oh, wait.
I don't know how to say that. Your mom looks is already drunk. Her face.
She loves it.
I'm already drunk. Seriously.
No. Oh, no.
Mine is
oh, life is sweet. Experience has left me ignorant, and now you're up for me. 'Cause everybody in the material world has a material world. You know that we live in the material world, and I am the material world.
So guys, nakasayahan kami dito sa aming salo-salo ng aming Pasko at aming birthday celebration advance. Mga lasing na kami yan guys. I-reflex ko sa inyo. Ito yung may-ari ng bahay. Partner in crime ko noon pa. Ngayon matatanda na kami. Partner in crime ko pa rin. Ito yun, flex ko sa inyo. Yan, ang anak ni Miros. Yan ang syuta niya. Say hello. Yan si Harold. And Scarlett from China. And that's Mike from England. Oh, he's a good singer from UK. Yuki is Elton, is the cousin of Elton John. And of course, si Rose from Cebu. And of course, her papa from Ipswich. And he's cheating us. He doesn't drink much of tequila, but he let us drink all the tequila. You're cheating. You don't drink much of the tequila. No. And of course, Meto's sister. Pupunta na kami ng malaking bahay mamaya. Palagay mo, mananalo ako ng 10%? Of course! 10% talaga. Sige mo! Sige.
Why disagree? Why disagree? You gotta know how to treat another. Anyone will do for the move or dance. When you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. You're the time for the dancing queen, feel the beat, feel the ring, oh yeah. You can dance, you can dance, honey, can dance. You know you're beautiful, that makes you beautiful. Sagana now. You got it wrong. To prove it right, my blood is so hot. I don't know why. You're being shy. You turn away when I look in your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, I'm my world like nobody else. The way you have your head coming over. When you smile at the crowd, it's hard to tell. You let me know. You know we're beautiful. I can see. Is that what I tell? What the dance for me? But now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you. You know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Na 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 na. Sige. Gets me overwhelmed, but when you smile the ground, it's hard to tell you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. I know the way you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. Really hard to tell you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful.
What's the secret? Making dancing queen.
Music's high. With a beautiful music, everything's fine. You move forever.
Right your mind over the sound. Looking out when you're beautiful.
Get me night shine, the music's high. With a beautiful music, everything's fine. You move forever.
Dancing queen.
Here we go.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Dance
So, good morning guys. Good morning guys. Kararating lang namin galing casino. Pagpunta namin doon, ang saya-saya pa namin. Ang aming wishing na makuha kami ng ano, ng pang-shopping. Magdodonate pa ako ng 1K kay Lola Indang. Ngayon, wawa, wala. Nga, wala lang. Tapos, ang binigyan. So, ito lang. Tapos yung ano daw, ano yung pang ano?
Pamasahe.
Asan niya?
Pamasahe siya. Nasa lang yung pamasahe. Ibigay mo sa kanya. Pamasahe. Ito na lang yung gawin.
Hindi may kasama. ang aking 700 ito lang.
Di ba pantalo naman si Fred Rock? Oh.
Ito pa. Tapos, pero at least mayroon naman ako. Oh.
Meron ka namang compliment.
Ang mahal, 700.
Meron ba? Pidya pa kita na. Wala ka natin ba?
Makauwi na nga. Good night guys, kawawa naman to.
Good morning.
Ay, good morning pala, wala pa kaming mga tulog. Tingnan mo, aba, pinagtatapon-tapunan niya yung ano, nako. Sige guys, good night.